Hello, in front of me I've got Mercedes EQA. In this video I'll show you how to charge it. In the beginning, let's prepare charger and open the filler. Now we've got two chargers here. One standard and one for fast charging. To start charging, insert the charger here and the charging will lock automatically. If you want to unlock it, press this button. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.